machine.
Difficult. First, we cannot ignore the extremely strong and durable logging trucks. These trucks can transport tons of wood from deep forests to processing plants. With a special wheel system and powerful engines, they can move on the most difficult terrain, from swampy land to steep hills. This is the Pacific Truck, a heavy-duty truck line known for its high durability and outstanding load capacity, used mainly in industries such as forestry, transportation, and construction. With a sturdy chassis design, powerful engine, and flexible operation on difficult terrain, Pacific trucks meet the requirements of transporting large volumes and moving in harsh environmental conditions. Although no longer operating under the current Pacific name, the legacy of this brand continues to exist in the vehicle lines of companies such as Kenworth and Peterbilt. The combination of Pacific off-road trucks and Hayes machines creates a powerful fleet, perfect for work in harsh terrain conditions. Pacific off-road trucks, with powerful engines and four-wheel drive systems, easily overcome rough roads, hills, or dense forest areas, helping to transport heavy goods such as timber or construction material. At the same time, Hayes machines such as log cranes and excavators are specially designed to work in difficult environments, handle heavy materials, and move flexibly on unpaved construction sites. Both vehicles have high load capacity, durability, and stability, helping to improve work efficiency and ensure safety during operation. Next, we come to the extremely powerful chainsaws, designed to fell trees quickly and efficiently. With extremely sharp blades and powerful motors, these machines can cut through the largest trees in a flash. Again, this is a dangerous job that requires high technique and absolute precision. And here comes one of the most powerful tools in the logging industry, the giant stump removal excavator. With flexible mechanical arms and enormous pulling power, these excavators can dig and remove tons of tree stumps from underground. This process requires a perfect combination of power and precision, helping to pave the way for further logging operations. Let's see the 350 Hitachi with CBI cutter pulling a large tree stump, showing its amazing power. And here a big tree stump was uprooted in a jiffy with Hitachi's Axis 200 and saw teeth, a power beyond my imagination. Wow! Just watch, and you will understand what we want to send to you. And here again, the Rayco RG80 stump grinder shows its superior power when it easily and quickly removes a 36-inch diameter oak stump in just a few minutes, which would take a normal person a whole day to complete. The logging industry is not just a job, it is a battle with nature. These trucks, chainsaws, and excavators face countless challenges, from rugged terrain, harsh weather, to the potential dangers of large trees and heavy objects. Especially in this environment, safety is the most important factor to protect both workers and machines. When using a combination of saws and ladders, a potential hazard can occur that we cannot foresee, especially in high-altitude working environments. However, with the advent of automatic tree stripping machines, these risks can be eliminated, while improving work efficiency. But it's not all doom and gloom. Modern technology has transformed the way timber is harvested. introducing automated machinery that increases productivity and reduces risks for workers. These improvements not only reduce environmental impact, but also provide a brighter future for the timber industry. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more exciting videos about the world of logging machinery and technology.